Affiliate Millionaire and the Ethics of Internet Marketing. And don't do this. Hey, it's Mark here, and in today's Affiliate Millionaire in 2 minutes, we're going to talk about the ethics of affiliate marketing. And in a moment, I'll reveal some unethical things to avoid doing. Are there ethical concerns with affiliate marketing? There could be, because an ultimate end goal as an affiliate is to earn money by helping to sell products. Even when the affiliate does this by being genuine and helping people get what they want, still the end result the affiliate wants is to be paid for helping. When products or services are pre-sold to people who get value from them, it is not unethical for an affiliate to be the one recommending the sale. This type of referral sale process has been going on for ages. In the past, it was called getting a finder's fee. I recall one example from years ago when someone was able to get a $75,000 per month finder's fee by matching up an oil company with a customer. This was from a magazine ad. Okay, let's discuss some unethical things you want to avoid doing. Unfortunately, the lure of those big commissions can lead some affiliates to misrepresent the benefits of products in order to get the click and sale. Not only is this unethical, it could be illegal as well. If you like these quick hit internet marketing videos, please click the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell to be notified when I post a new video. In the next video, we'll discuss the biggest problem with affiliate marketing and how to solve it. See you then.